What if all the oceans on Earth suddenly dried up? Imagine waking up tomorrow and hearing the most shocking news in human history. Every ocean on Earth has vanished. The Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian Ocean, all gone. Where there once was endless blue water, there is now a vast, empty world. At first, people would rush to the coasts in disbelief, but what they would see would be terrifying. The seafloor, hidden for millions of years, would suddenly be exposed. Gigantic mountain ranges would appear where ships once sailed. Deep trenches, far deeper than Mount Everest is tall, would stretch across the planet. The famous Mariana Trench would become a massive canyon nearly 11 kilometers deep. Thousands of sunken ships from different centuries would lie scattered across the dry seabed like forgotten ghosts of history. For scientists, it would feel like opening a lost world. Unknown geological structures, ancient ruins, and mysteries hidden under the ocean for thousands of years could finally be seen. But the excitement would quickly turn into fear. Oceans are not just water, they are Earth's climate engine. They absorb heat from the sun and move it around the planet through powerful currents. Without oceans, that system would collapse. Days would become scorching hot and nights freezing cold. Then another disaster would begin. Rain would almost disappear. Most of the rain on Earth comes from water evaporating from the oceans. Without that process, clouds would become rare. Rivers would slowly shrink. Farms would fail. Large parts of the world would begin turning into deserts. And there is something even more frightening. Tiny ocean organisms called phytoplankton produce about half of the oxygen we breathe. Without oceans, they would die, and the oxygen supply of the planet would slowly drop. Fishing would end overnight. Coastal economies would collapse. Billions of people would face food shortages. Within decades, Earth would start looking less like a blue planet and more like a dry alien world. In fact, scientists believe something similar happened to Mars billions of years ago, which leads to a chilling thought. If Earth ever lost its oceans, it might slowly begin following the same path. Because oceans are not just part of our planet, they are the reason our planet is alive.